Today's a great day because today we start our trip to Venice. Before we get there though, we do have one stop, a 12-hour layover in Amsterdam. I'm excited, we're excited. Let's go make some memories. We just landed in Amsterdam and now we need to find my sister. She's meeting up with us here and she'll continue the trip with us to Venice. So I'm excited. I haven't seen her in a few months. She's around here somewhere. I don't know where she is. We're probably gonna have to walk around for a little bit, see if we can find her. I'm sure we'll find her. We will find her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll find her.
We'll find her.
Found her. It's my sister, everyone.
Hello.
You can find her on Instagram. She has a great Instagram. It's at Aurore.
Aurore.
I'll add a link down below. Okay, let's go. We just rented our bikes and we're all starving, so we're gonna go pick up some food. Our first stop is a place that we found online, which should have some good breakfast. It's called the Pancake Bakery. We'll see if they're like the pancakes back home. I'm assuming they'll be better. We'll find out. I gotta say, I read a lot about that place, the Pancake Bakery, and watched a few videos talking about it. That food was really good. I mean, the pancake's more like a crepe, but the flavor is just different. You know, the syrup didn't need very much. It was still really sweet. It was absolutely delicious. The eggs with the cheese on top was even more delicious. So if you get a chance, I recommend check it out.
Is it everything you dreamed it would be?
It's good. It's crispy.
Not that crispy though. It's like a soft crispy.
He went for a second one.
That's good.
It's a soft crispy.
You try it.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm alright.